In this video, we will talk about how to fix Microsoft Edge not opening. Make sure to watch the complete video. Method 1. Restart your computer. Click on Windows icon and restart your PC. A simple reboot can often fix temporary system glitches preventing Microsoft Edge from opening. Method 2. Repair Microsoft Edge. First, we need to close Edge completely. For that, right-click on bottom bar. Select Task Manager. Type Edge. Right-click on Microsoft Edge and select End Task. Now, click on Start. Open Settings. On the left side, select Apps. Then click on Installed Apps. Type Edge in the search. Click the three dots and select Modify. Click on Yes and choose Repair. This will reinstall the Microsoft Edge without deleting your data. Method 3. Clear corrupted user data. Click in Search. Type Run and open it. Paste the location command in here and press Enter. Rename the folder named Default to Default Old. After doing so, try launching Edge again. Method 4. Run SFC and DISM commands. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. First, type SFC command and press Enter. It will take some time, so let it run. After running SFC command, type DISM command and run it. This will also take some time, so wait until it finishes. These commands will fix corrupted system files. Method 5. Reinstall Microsoft Edge using PowerShell. Right-click on Start. Select Terminal as Admin. Click on Yes. Paste the command and press Enter. This reinstalls Edge for all users on the system. So that's how you can fix Microsoft Edge not opening. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out our other methods to fix the issue, linked in the I button above. That's all for today. See you in the next video.